Okay, here's four slabs of Koroit Boulder Opal material. The material's been wetted. The white is the reflection of the lights. Rules in millimetres. These are ready to make some pendants or stones out of. Not a lot of colour, but some. A lot of this is just purchased for the nice pattern. Nice and thick. This is the best one in the Parcel. Electric colour down through the middle there. More on that side. Because it's opal layers in a boulder and it's gone around as like a kernel on like an onion. Again, this one's colour through here, not so much over on this side. Cut it down like this. Sorry with the reflection, but can't do much about that apart from show it so it's not reflecting the light so much. Anyway, I think that you get an idea of what you're looking at for your money. Just looking at that there, there's some matrix sort of material over in the corner here by the looks. Okay, hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.